Beauty. If one of the things you believe in is that this world's an ugly place, you must have never gone outside at night and stared up into space. You have not felt the way the air changes in the minutes before it rains, or watched the world pass by below out the window of a plane. You have never been awake so early that you see the moment the sun starts to rise, and you have never lain with your back on the grass and made shapes with a cloud in the sky. But maybe if you have done all this but still don't believe it's not true, it's because you can't see all the beauty that I see when I look at you.